Hello everyone, this is Sourav Kumar and welcome you to all class 9th Mathematics ICSE Board. Students, in this class we are going to discuss chapter number 4, which is factorization. So before going forward, firstly I want to introduce about this factorization. So factorization is mainly the process, okay, it is the process of writing an expression as the product of two or more expressions. Writing an expressions as the product of two or more expressions is called factorization, okay. Let us take one example, like this is an example, x square plus 3x plus 2. This is an expression, okay, this is an expression. This is an expression, x square plus 3x plus 2. Process of writing an expression. Here I write an expression as the product of two or more expression. This is equal to x plus 2 and x plus 1. This is one expression, this is the other expression. This is the product of this, okay. So whenever we have an expression and I write this as a multiple or product of this expression, so this is called factorization. This method is called factorization, and this two expression which is the product is called the factor, okay. Each expression occurring in the product, is called a factor of the given expression. This is the factor of this expression and this process is called factorization. How I get this expression or this factor, which is I discussed in the in further, okay. So here this one is the important point, reverse process of multiplication. Factorization is basically the reverse process of multiplication. Example, 5 into 3, I write 5 into 3 is equal to 15. This is the multiplication process. But if I have a question given, write the factor of 15, so I write this as a 5 into 3. This is the factor of 15 and this is the multiplication of 5 into 3. So this is called multiplication and this is called factorization in simple language, okay. If I write this 15 as a 5 into 3, so this 5 and this 3 is a factor. And this method is called factorization. So in the expression term, or in an equation term, this is the factor of expression, okay. This is the product of expression and that expression is called factor. So this is the factorization, definition of factorization. Now first point is factorization by taking out the common factor. There is several factorization method, but here we take as an example of some important expression, okay. So first one is factorization by taking out the common factor. Common factor means we have to take a common from the given expression. Directly we take a common. If I have a question given, okay, I take a common from the given expression and that factor is as your expression is your factor, okay. Just like example, 5x square minus 20xy. Here the method is taking the common factor. So I take, firstly I look here, this is 5x square and minus 20xy. What is the common term here? There is this 20 is the multiple of this 20. Can I write this 25 into 4xy? And this is 5x square. So if I take a common, so here this is 5x and here this is 5 into 4 into xy. So from both the term, can I take a common 5x? So if I take a common 5x, so in the bracket here, if I take 5x common, so here in the bracket is x is left, so I write here x minus. In this term, if I take common 5 and x, so what is the remaining one is 4y. So the answer is 5x into 4x minus 4y. Okay, so this is the factor. This one factor is this 5x and other factor is x minus 4y. Now come to the other one, 36x cube y minus 60x square yz. Now what is the common term here? What is the common factor here? What is the common factor? Maximum common factor, okay, not least common, maximum common factor. Here this is 36 and here this is 60. So if I take 12 as a common and here it is x cube y and here it is x square y, what is the maximum term can I take a common? So this is x square and this is y. So I take a common 12x square y. The remaining one is here 12 by 36 is 3x is the remaining and here it is 5z is remaining, because here x square y I take a common x square y, so the remaining is z and here 5. So this is the final factor. Now the other example is x minus y whole cube plus 3x square y x minus y. Now look carefully this expression. Here it is x minus y, here also x minus y. So one term I take common is x minus y. The other one is here it is x and here x is also available. So the total common factor which I take here common is x minus y. So if I take common x minus y, so here x minus y if I take common, what the remaining term is x minus y square, because x I also take a common, and plus if I take x minus y common from here, so x minus y is wipe out and the remaining one is 3xy. So here it is 3xy. So I write x minus y and here this is x minus y whole square. Here a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in place of this I write x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 3xy. Now if I solve this, so x minus y in the bracket x square plus y square plus minus 2xy plus 3xy is plus xy. So this is the factor. One factor is x, other is x minus y, and other factor is x square plus y square plus xy, which basically mean that whatever I get the factor, if I multiply all these factors, finally I get this expression. Okay, like this one. If I multiply both this factor, I get the final number which is 15. Similarly, if I multiply all this factor, I get the final expression this. Okay. Now the second one is, this is the common factor. Here whatever the question, I directly take a common from this expression. Now in the second one, factorization by grouping. Here if the question is given to us, the first step is to make a group. What group? What type of group? Such type of group where we can easily get the common factor. We can easily get the common factor. So here you are not able to directly take the common. Okay, you are not able to directly take the common. Firstly, you have to arrange or make a group of expressions so that we can easily take a common. So firstly, whenever you get the question, try to carefully look at the question and try to arrange that each term and make an expression so that we can easily take a common factor. Okay, so here there is question x square plus y minus xy minus x. Here if I take directly common from here, we are not able to take the directly common, because here x square, here y, here xy, here minus x. So it is not directly able, or it is not directly confirmed that we directly take a common. Okay, so here I arrange the group. This is x square plus y minus xy minus x. So I make a group. This is x square minus x minus xy plus y. Why I take this because when I take common x, here the remaining one is x minus 1, and when I take here minus y minus y, because here it is x minus 1. So if I take minus y, so here this plus y becomes minus, so here this is x minus 1. So again, if I take a common here, this is x minus 1 and this is x minus 1 also. So if I take x minus 1 common, so x minus 1 common, the remaining one is, if I take x minus 1 x minus common, so the remaining one is x and this minus y, so this is x minus y. Similarly, in this 6ab minus b square plus 12ac minus 2bc, this is an example of factorization by grouping. So 6ab minus b, so now we have to arrange this and make a group, so we can easily take the common. So here ab, this is b square, ac and this is bc. So I make a group of these two and these two. Okay, so this is 6ab plus 12ac minus b square minus 2bc. So I take here 6a common, so remaining one is b, and from here this is 2c. Now if I take common from here minus b, so the remaining one is b, and from here this is 2c. If I take common from these term minus b, so the remaining one is here b, and the minus is common, so this is plus, and if b is common, so the remaining one is 2c. So this is the expression. Now again, here this is b plus 2c, and here it is also b plus 2c. So I take a common again b plus 2c. So here when I take a common b plus 2c, so the remaining one is 6a minus b. So this is the factor of this expression. Okay, this is not very hard, but when you regularly practice this type of question, so you have a habitual to solve this type of problem. Okay, this is very simple one. Now the next one is x square plus xy minus 2xz minus 2yz. So how can I proceed this? Firstly, we have to make the group. Now I make a group of this one, x square and 2xz. Why? If I take common x here, here it is left x and here is left 2z. Now again, if I take here from y common, again here x and again 2z, so that's why I am taking this type of group. Now make a group x square minus 2xz, this group and this group. From here I take a common x and from here I take a common y. The remaining is x minus 2z, and from here remaining is x minus 2z. Now if I take common from x minus 2z from this expression, so this is x minus 2z and this is x plus y, remaining term is. Okay, so this is the first one method. We can directly take a common, and in second, firstly we have to make the group and then take a common. Note down this on your notebook, and now we will solve exercise problem related to these two methods. Okay.